Welcome. In this video I am with the INFINIX Hot 12i and I'm going to show you the most useful features on the camera application. Okay, so when we open this camera application, we'll be in the photo mode at the first, and right here in this photo mode we can find few hidden options. The first one will be definitely the volume buttons that you can use. So just take a look. When you press the volume up or volume down, as you can see, you can just take photo. You can also click and hold one of this button. Well, but we have to turn off this HDR, okay, right now, and also the flashlight. And as you can see right now, we can take this series of the photos. So if you want to take a look on the photos that you take, just open gallery and tap right here. As you can see right now, when you move your finger on the left or the right, you can find every photo that you take with this phone. And if you want to keep any of them, just tap and then click on the right upper corner to save. You can save all of them or just only the 3 photos that you select, so we can decide. After that, you can find them just normally in the gallery. As you can see, they appear right here, the 3 photos that we save. Okay, next, when you click on the screen, you can find this sun icon, and with this icon you can adjust the brightness level. So we can decrease or increase brightness. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you click and hold your shutter, you are also going to take series of the photo. Next, I would like to show you the filters. You can tap right here and find different filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. So if you want to take photo with this one, for example, just click on the shutter and the photo was taken. If you want to turn it off, just select the first one, the original look. Next, I can recommend you to simply go for the more modes. Let me just open the menu. And we can find, for example, the AR shot. And as you can see, this allows us to take the emoji photos. So we can select this one. There's also some faces, but of course we have to switch to the selfie camera or simply point the camera on someone to make the face detect, and after that it will appears. I mean, the emoji will appears. So yeah, and you can also create here your own avatar. I think we can go for the settings also, and right here we can, for example, use the fingerprint as the shutter. So take a look, that's the shutter, and when I tap on it, I can take photos, just like that. When you go back to the settings, we can also simply change function of the volume buttons. So we can use them as a zoom, for example. So we can click and hold the volume button and you can zoom in. To zoom out, just do the same. Next, we can also enable the grid lines and the touch photography. The grid lines right now appears on the screen, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. And when you want to use the touch photography, just click on the screen once and the photo will be taken. As you can see, it's working really good. Okay, and honestly, that's all for this device. That's all tips and tricks and the best features that I can show you in the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.